In this video, we are going to discuss how to set user time zone in Odoo. Setting time zone field for users enables Odoo to display date and time on messages based on the logged in user time zone. It is better not to leave this field empty. So you have to ensure that you indicate time zone while making a user record. So let us see how to configure time zone in Odoo. For that, go to settings, where you can see 3 active users. So click the manage users and we can see the different users. Well, this is the internal users. There are different types of users: internal users, portal users, and public users. So let us take a user and see what all things are related by creating a user. If you click edit, you can see the name of the user and his email address. And there are different tabs: access right, Oauth, preferences, calendar. So you choose a preference tab. Under that, you can see the localization, where you can set the language, and there is one more option for setting a time zone for this user. So while printing documents or exporting or importing data, time values are computed. So it is computed according to this time zone, and if it is not set, then UTC, that is a universal time coordinated universal time, is used. And from here you can select time zone for your user, but while selecting you have to make sure that it matches with that of your browser. So in this case it is mismatch. There is a mismatch. A warning will be shown if there is mismatch. So to avoid some dispensaries in your system, you have to make sure the matching. Then I have said you before that it is not better to make it as empty. You don't know what happens. Some unpredictable changes can occur in your system. So it is better to give some values for this time zone. So that's how we set time zone for different users in Odoo 30.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.